Hi, thank you for joining me. My name is Rain. Are we ready to get crafty? Here it is, a fun party gift box. I wonder what is inside. We'll find out soon. Let's get making. You could find the download link in the description below. There are 3 file formats: SVG for Cricut, Studio 3 for Cameo, and a PDF file for hand cutting. Please remember the files are for personal use only. Upload the file to your device or computer. Here I'm using Cricut Design Space. Change score lines for all the elements, except these 3. After changing to score line, remember to click Attach. Send to cut when the file is ready. While cutting, keep some of the stars for later. Here are all the elements. There are 14 pieces. Get our first piece. Look closely. The part with the straight corners is the backing of the box. The part with the rounded corners is the bottom of the box. The pieces with the stars are for the box. These 2 are mirror image to each other. Find the right match pieces for them. The inside panels should cover all the stars on the outside. The shorter end tabs should point upward. Glue the tabs. I decided to have the stars on the box. I also like the idea of love hearts. Let me know in the comment which one you like, star or love heart. Attach to the backing part. The outside box is done. Move on to the inside. Make a pull-out drawer. Now we are making box for the drawer. Attach to the bottom of the box. Hide the tabs under the box. Secure the back together. Find these 2 pieces with dots on. Make into an octagon box. Same as this piece. Make a smaller octagon box. Find the 3 pieces with wavy sides. It goes to the smaller box. Glue this together. There is an octagon mark here. This is a mark for the top layer. Have you guessed what this is? The last piece. Use the stars to decorate however you like. We have made this amazing gift box. There is a generous size pull-out box. There is also a secret space here for more surprise. I enjoyed designing this project very much. Hope you will have fun making it. Thank you for watching.